Want to learn cool stuff like computers, AI, making videos, and using new AI tools to make money online? Lots of people do, but sometimes it's hard. Learning these things can seem really difficult, or maybe you can't find a good teacher to help you. In this video, we're going to make it easy. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could have an expert sitting right next to you anytime you want to learn some new software? Someone you can ask questions, get instant answers, and simply learn by doing. Well, now you can. And the best part, it doesn't cost anything. Basically, you don't need people like me anymore. Let's dive in. To get started, head to the Google AI Studio website and then sign in. If you've never heard of Google AI Studio before, it's primarily designed as a development platform where you can create, train, and deploy custom AI solutions that use Google AI technologies. Now you might be thinking you don't do that, but as a user, you can still experiment with the tech, and that's what we're going to do. Feel free to follow along. Once you finish signing in, you'll land here in the main interface. Over on the left-hand side navigation, let's click on the option that says Stream Real Time. What is Stream Real Time? Over here, it tells us that you can start interacting in real time using text, voice, video, or screen sharing. But what does that mean? It basically means that you can show the AI what you're working on, and then you'll get instant feedback from the AI. This is especially helpful if you're trying to learn new software where you really want that interactive feedback. Down at the very bottom, we can click on this icon so the AI can hear your microphone. I'll click on this, and then we have to allow it in the browser. I'll click here. The AI can now hear me. Down below, we can also turn it on so the AI can see what we're working on. When I click on this, you can share your camera or your screen. In this case, I want to share my screen, so I'll click on this option. Then I'll get a prompt where I can select what I would like to share with the AI. In the top right-hand corner, I'll click on My Entire Screen. Select screen number 2, and then click on Share. Hey, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you.
Fantastic. I need some help with different apps today. Do you think you could do that?
I can try my best to help you with different apps. What do you need help with specifically?
Now I will ask AI to separate columns and create a pivot table. I'm in Microsoft Excel now. Can you see my spreadsheet?
Yes, I can see your spreadsheet. It looks like it has columns for date, unit sold, product, and location.
Yeah, so I have the product and location in one column, but I would prefer to have two separate columns. How do I do that?
You can use the text to columns feature in Excel.
Okay, so I've selected comma. I'll select next.
First, select the column that contains both the product and location data, which is column C. Then go to the Data tab on the ribbon and find Text to Columns. Now click Next in the Text to Columns wizard. In the wizard, you'll select Delimited since there's a comma.
Oh, am I in the right place right now?
Yes, you're in the right place.
Okay, so I have delimited selected, then what?
The delimiter in this case is a comma and a space. Select the other checkbox. Type a comma, then a space in the box, then click Next. Now you can click Finish.
Oh, and it looks like I now have a new column with the location.
Perfect. You have successfully separated the product and location into two different columns. Is there anything else you'd like to explore in the pivot table?
Yeah, I'd like to see the units sold by location. How do I do that?
You can use a pivot table.
Okay, so I have my new sheet, I have my pivot table. What do I do here?
First, select all of your data, including headers. Then go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click on Pivot Table. The window that appears, click OK to create a pivot table on a new sheet. In the Pivot Table Fields pane, drag Location to the Rows area and Units Sold to the Values area. This will show you the total units sold for each location.
Nice. And what would I use columns for? What's that for?
The Columns area is used to break down the data further. For example, if you drag the product field to the Columns area, you'll see a breakdown of how many units of each product were sold in each location.
Any interesting insights here or anything that I should call out to my manager?
Looking at your pivot table, it seems that Oatmeal Raisin is your top-selling product with 23,282 units sold overall, while Snickerdoodle is your lowest seller at 18,452 units.
This tech is a fantastic example of the positive benefits of AI. You can now learn at your own pace on your own terms. If you're working with confidential content, just be mindful of what you share. According to Google, with the free plan, your data may be used to improve their product, which likely means that they're using it to train models. If you're learning something basic, that's fine. Just don't go sharing your company's financials. That would be bad. One feature that I think could take this to the next level is if it could do screen annotation. Imagine if the AI could draw a box or point where to click, or even just do the task for you while showing you how it's done. That would be amazing. Just relying on the verbal instructions can sometimes be a little tricky to know where exactly to go. Now I hope to see you in the next video. I forgot one important thing. Now I need your help. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Listen, I know you love discovering cool new things, AI, tech, making money online. Sounds pretty exciting, right? Well, this channel's got it all. And trust me, you don't want to miss out. So here's the deal. You hit that like button, smash subscribe, and tap that little bell icon. You know, the one that keeps you updated? Yeah, that one. Do it now. Not for me. Okay, maybe a little for me, but mostly for you. Because learning this stuff, it's gonna change the game. Let's grow this channel together. I'll see you around.